Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 22. Can we see a double zigzag? The answer is yes, and in this case, we must have a connection between them. And this is called X, means it connects two corrections together, and X is ABC 333. Double zigzag happens the first zigzag is not strong enough, and it didn't correct the previous wave enough. So the market will consume more time to give a double zigzag.
Quote number 16. Just Livermore said, "Money is made by sitting, not trading." This means that sit and wait for the right opportunity. Awesome trading quote about patience. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.